Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the character screen and going straight to attributes. You don't need to return to 2030 lore. Just act. Look at your available attribute points in the header, since those are what you'll spend now. Choose the attribute you want to boost: body, reflexes, technical, intelligence, or cool, and press the assign button to add 1 point. Once done, you'll see the immediate stat increase and how it opens or closes perk tiers, so plan picks for desired perks. Next, plan how each point moves you toward perk unlocks. Many perks demand exact attribute thresholds, so you want to avoid wasting points in dead zones. Consider your build, melee, stealth, hacking, and funnel points into 2 primary attributes. Once done, invest secondary points for survivability. Remember the soft cap of 20 per attribute, and that gear and consumables can temporarily raise values, letting you test thresholds before committing permanent points. Finally, confirm assignments and save immediately. Attribute changes take effect right away for stats and perks, but a saved game preserves your choice. If you can't assign a point, make sure you actually have an unspent attribute point and haven't hit the 20 cap for that attribute. If the UI misreports values or perks don't unlock, reload your most recent save or restart the game. One quick resync usually fixes visual or sync glitches without costing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.